Hello, take a look at this maths problem. Do you think it is easy to work out? I guess it is. But now the answer that shall surprise you, after we've worked it out, you'll not believe it. So let's now work it out within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with our solution. So the solution is now 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 150. So in this case now we are trying to find the value for a. So for us now, we shall now have to factorize 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a. So this one can also be written as 5 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 150. So let's now work out the number inside the bracket. So from here now, we shall now have 5 to the power of a, then into bracket, so 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 150. So from there now we shall divide both sides by 2. So here by 2, here by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 5 to the power of a. So now we shall have it is equals to 2 here once, 2 cancels 150, 75 times. So is equals to 75. So now, how now do we solve the value for a? So the correct response that I can give is to divide or to introduce what is called the log. So we introduce the log by both sides. We shall now have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 75. So assuming that we have the log of p to the power of m. So this one can also be written as m, the log of p. So meaning that the log of 5 to the power of a can also be written as a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 75. So from here now we shall divide both sides by this one, by the log of 5. So here now all over the log of 5, then here also the log of 5. So the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel each other. So our a now shall be equals to the log of 75 all over the log of 5. So this one is not the correct answer because we can still factorize the log of 75 all over the log of 5 by now having something. So a can also be written as the log of 75, can also be written as the log of 5, then multiply by 15. So all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a, b. So this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So meaning that our a in this case shall be equals to the log of 5 plus the log of 15 all over the log of 5, the log of 5. So our next step is now to split the log of 5. So here now our a shall be equals to the log of 5 all over the log of 5 plus the log of 15 all over the log of 5. So a is equals to, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now we shall have 1 plus the log of 15 all over the log of 5. So here now our value for a can still be written as a is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 15 can also be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 3, then all over the log of 5. So here now we shall have a to be equals to 1 plus, so the log of 5 plus the log of 3 all over the log of 5. So when we work it out, we shall now have a is equals to 1 plus the log of 5 all over the log of 5 all over the log of 5, then also here plus the log of 3 all over the log of 5. So now we shall have, so when you cancel this maths problem, so now we shall have a to be equals to 1 plus, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so we shall have 1 plus 1 plus the log of 3 all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So in this case now our a is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus now the log of 3 to the base of 5. So now this one now shall be our answer for the value for A. So we can still confirm and check if it is really the correct answer. So this one was the maths problem that we had. So we had 5 to the power of A. So very fast on confirmation, 5 to the power of A plus again 5 to the power of A is equals to 150. So now 5A is now 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 5 plus again here 5 to the power of 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 5 is equals to 150. So from here now we shall proceed by now having, we can still have 5 to the power of 2 there. So the plus shall now change to multiplication. Again 5 to the power of the log of 3 to the base of 5 plus 5 to the power of 2. The plus shall change to the multiplication again of 5 to the log of 3 to the base of 5 is equals to 150. So 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5, that is 25. So multiply by, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel with this 5, so multiply by 3. Then again plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25. Then multiply by, the log to the base of 5 shall cancel with this 5, so by 3 is equals to 150. So 25 multiplied by 3, so here now we shall have 75 plus 75 is equals to 150. So what is 75 plus 75? So we shall have 150 is equals to 150. So it means that we are very correct when you say that our value for A in this case, our value for A is equals to 2 plus the log of 3 to the base of 5. So that is the correct answer. So are you surprised on what we get? So that is how we work it out. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.